How to fix sent emails going into draft in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. So there are different reasons on why your sent emails is going to the draft items. So the first reason is that you need to double check your internet connection. So just go right here, your Wi-Fi, click manage Wi-Fi connections and make sure that it says connected and secured, because sometimes you might be connected to a Wi-Fi, but sometimes it will show right here no internet. So even if you're connected, there is an internet that is being given by the Wi-Fi. So this can also be possible if you are using like a wired connection. So for example, if you're using an Ethernet cable, sometimes you might be connected but it says no internet. So double check on that first. Next, if you have verified your internet connection and your emails are not being sent, you can also go to view and then click sync right here to sync all the changes that has been done to your Outlook account. And then now what we can do is that we can go to the settings. From here, let's go to mail, and then from here we should be able to find like the undo sending or the undo send. So click undo send. So it's right here in the compose page in the mail tab, and then make sure that your undo send is set between either 5 seconds or 0 seconds, because if you have like a long delay right here, what will happen is that, for example, if I go ahead and send an email, let's say this is a test email. If I click send, it will wait 10 seconds first before it sends the email. And if you click undo right here, it will just not send the email. Or if you click send, so it will be right here in your draft first, so it will wait for 10 seconds before it's sent. So if you don't want that to happen, you can just go ahead and choose either 5 seconds or 0 seconds so that it sends instantly. Because sometimes, for example, if you set 10 seconds or if you set like the maximum time 30 seconds, what will happen is like this. It says choosing a delay longer than 10 seconds may result in the email not being sent due to network issues, the app closing, or the computer shutting down. So for example, if you have like this delay right here, whatever happens in the application, maybe your internet connection goes out or your Outlook application automatically turns off because of like an issue, or your computer restarts automatically. So this will not urge your email to be sent. So that's why I prefer either 5 seconds or 0 seconds so that your email will be sent instantly. So just save, and then now when I send this, click send. As you can see, it's now sent immediately. So it's not going to the drafts anymore. And then that is basically it. So those are the solutions that we can do to fix your sent emails going in to the draft folder. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.